Hello viewers, I'm Mang Egay. Now I'm going to show you the preventive maintenance of the burner. Now you can see the shifting of the burner. Now I'm going to remove the nozzle of the burner here. See, I'm removing it now. Now you see the nozzle here. The nozzle here is right here. You know, the fuel passes through the nozzle, then it gives fine mist spray into the shell of the furnace. When the shell of the furnace is preheated, total combustion will occur. But if the shell of the furnace is cold, smoke belching will be the result. So the importance of preheating the burner, preheating the shell of the burner is significant. It will create no smoke emission. Thank you very much, my viewers.